Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Redmi 13C, and guys, and this is a new budget phone from Redmi, and this phone is costing around 32,000 PKR here in the Pakistan market. And in this price range we have 6GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, and this phone is manufactured in Pakistan, which is a really good thing. So it's the box of the Redmi 13C. On the front it says we have 6.7-inch 90Hz display. Also on this side we have a powerful octa-core SoC. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 SoC, which is same as the Redmi 12C. So we don't have any improvement in the SoC. Also we have 5000 mAh battery size. On this side it says we have 50 megapixel AI triple cameras on this phone. So I am very excited to unbox the Redmi 13C, and this phone also available in other colors. I have is the midnight black color. And now let's remove the plastic. And the box, it is very different as compared to the Redmi 12C. So when you open the box, on the top we are getting our device Redmi 13C again, and these are the main highlighting feature of the Redmi 13C. We also have 18-watt fast charging support. So now let's remove this plastic. As you can see, here is the midnight black color looks like. I gotta say, on the back we have a matte finish, which looks really nice and premium as well, I would say. On the back we have a triple cameras. We have a 50 megapixel main camera, then we have a 2 megapixel macro and a 2 megapixel which is a depth sensor. Now let's remove this plastic. And now let's quickly boot this phone up. And we don't have any screen protector on the front. So let's see what else we get other than the phone. So first thing, we are getting this mini box. Here is our suggestion tool, and inside there, here is our quick start guide as well as a warranty card. We don't have a silicone case, which is a really disappointing. And here is our charger, and guys, and this is a 10-watt normal charger, but this phone maximum support 18 watts. So if you have a 18-watt fast charger, you can use that easily with the Redmi 13C. And here is our cable, and which is a USB type C to USB A cable. Nice to see that. No entry inside the box. And now let's put all these things to the side, and now let's see the physical overview of this phone. So on the bottom we have our speaker, USB-C port, main microphone. So on this side we have our SIM tray. And now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot. Yes, it is. So you can use one micro SD card with the 2 nano SIMs at the same time. Also inside the SIM tray we also have a rubber gasket, headphone jack. On the right, volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. And now let's talk about the display. And this phone has a 6.7-inch 720p plus IPS LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. So we have a upgrade in the refresh rate this time on the Redmi 13C. Also we have a U-shaped notch on the top, and the bottom chin, it is, I would say, really average, not the best. Now let's quickly set up this phone up, and then we will continue. And guys, and here is the first boot of the Xiaomi Redmi 13C. And guys, and the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a IPS LCD display, but we have 90Hz refresh rate, and the display, it is decently bright, especially for indoors. Anyways, here is the notification panel looks like. We have an old notification panel. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. So this phone is running on Android 13. Also we have MIUI version 14. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner, because this phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button. Fingerprint scanner, it also works fast, as you can see. And now let's see the internal storage. This phone has a 128GB of internal storage, and out of 103GB it is available for you guys. And here are the pre-installed applications we have in this phone. Anyways, now let's look at the camera. And this phone has a triple cameras on the back. We have 50 megapixel main. So this is the main camera looks like. Now let's go to the video mode. So the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We don't have a 4K support. Here is our time lapse, portrait mode, night mode, and here is the 50 megapixel mode. We don't have any slow motion, I would say. And right there, here is our macro mode, which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back, although the quality it is not really great. I wish that we have ultra wide on this phone. And also look at the front facing camera. This phone has a 8 megapixels selfie camera, and the selfie camera it looks completely trash. And the front camera also shoots full HD at 30 fps. We also have a time lapse, portrait mode, night mode it is not available with the front facing camera. As you can see, regarding the camera features wise, we don't have a slow motion, we don't have a ultra wide lens, also we don't have a night mode with the front facing camera. Also the front facing camera it is not that great. I wish that we have a 13 megapixel, but another that, and the cameras it is really decent, especially in this price range, especially the main camera on the back. And now let's talk about the battery sizes. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with 18 watt fast charging support. In the box we are getting a 10 watt, so this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. And that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and my first impression regarding the Redmi 13C. And do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.